you ready to spend some of my husband's money? Today we are going to Costco for the first time in what feels like months. And we have some big ticket items on our list today. We've got a vacuum because our vacuum started smelling like smoke randomly. I heard that there's some advent calendars that are little people themed. We're also getting some snacks, some Diet Coke, and a bunch of other things that I'm gonna put right here. Let's go to Costco. This is what I'm going with. Quick little snack break. Here you go. The way I have to rearrange this whole car right now. Last but not least, and now I have to get everything else in the back seat. I don't know if that was better or worse than I thought, but we did it. I feel overstimulated. She feels overstimulated. We spent a lot of my husband's money. Thanks for coming to Costco with us.